Hi and welcome to my channel bobthetoolman.com. Today I'm gonna go a quick overview of DeWALT DWE305 PK reciprocating saw. This is a European version for UK and Canada. It's 1100 watts, or US will be 12 amps. It has 2800 pips per minute. It can cut metal up to 100 millimeters, wood up to 280 millimeters, and you can place a saw up to 29 millimeters, the cutting saw. So let's see what's in the box. We have the instruction manual, and the user manual, the warranty. It's a DeWALT 3 years warranty extended. We have one metal 18 TPI T4 inch saw, cutting saw, and the actual machine. You can see this is DeWALT. Let's check the characteristics. Here you can see that you can you can put the cutting saw in 4 different positions as shown in the picture, and I will show you now how to put it. But first I need to take the sticker out. Okay, before we go in, I'm gonna plug into a power socket just to show you. See, you have a soft start, see? So when you press the button, it's starting slowly, and then it's increasing its speed when you're pressing harder, when you're pressing the trigger harder. Okay. Now to put the blade inside, we need to open this, but we need to push quite strongly because here it's going easy, but in order to put the blade inside, cutting blade, we need to push really hard, put in this position and release. Now it's tight. To release, the same procedure. Put it back, and now it's an opposite way, so we can cut upwards, and here you can cut on the left, and you can cut on the right. So it's not a rotatable head, just you can fix the cutting blade in 4 different positions. So position 1, cutting downwards; position 2, cutting upwards; position 3, cutting left; and position 4, cutting right. So that should be it. please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can see the purchase link down below in the comments if you want to purchase from Amazon, and I will earn a small commission if you purchase the product through my link. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.